Hi there, welcome to GrainTV. I'm Kevin McNew. It's Thursday, December 10th. We had an update in grains. Let's take a look at the Grain Edge trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn and wheat managed 5-cent gains, while beans was up a penny and a half, although giving up a 10-cent gain at one point during the trade session. News today was pretty light, although there was some export news to talk about. Let's take a look at weekly export sales. In corn, we came in well above expectations, exceeding 1 million metric tons on the week, besting the 450 to 650,000 metric ton expectation. Beans yet again beating expectations with 1.4 million metric tons above the high side range, which came in at 1.1, and wheat disappointing to the downside. Other news out this morning, there was a flash export sale announcement by USDA reporting that 115,000 metric tons of soybeans were sold to the unknown destination. So that too was positive on the balance sheet side for beans, but unfortunately beans was not able to sort of carry that momentum all the way through to the close. We had a nice rally going into about the last hour of trade, but basically backed off and gave up about a 9-cent advance from the highs of the day, closing up only a penny and a half. Let's take a little deeper look at where we stand in terms of export sales. Let's take a look first of all at corn, and although we had a really good week for corn, besting expectations coming in at 1 million metric tons, we continue to lag the pace needed to reach USDA's forecast. And remember that on Wednesday, USDA did lower their forecast for the year for exports, but that still is not reflective of where we stand in terms of the pace we've been reaching so far. Right now, we only have 18.2 billion metric tons of sales committed for the year. If you look at the normal pace for this time of year, we would expect to be about 22.6 booked based on USDA's annual forecast. Let's take a look at the scorecard for soybeans and wheat. And in soybeans, it's a much better story, although not exceptionally bullish, but at least better than pace to reach USDA's export forecast. And if you'll recall, they've been lowering that forecast throughout the year on expectations of a better crop in South America in the second half of the year, as well as a slowdown in China. But so far, we're doing well above pace based on where we've been historically at this time of year. In wheat, we are right on track, just a tad shy of expectations to reach USDA's forecast, but still reasonably well on track to meet those forecasts. So nothing here really on the wheat side to really get this market very excited. Right now we're seeing wheat just sort of in a short covering rally, and some of that may have been driving corn as well too to the upside today. So look for more short covering as we go into the weekend on Friday and see if we can get some more upside potential here. Have a great day. If you have any questions, give us a call, 877-472-4607, and always visit us online at grainhedge.com.